Hello, I am Arun Malik and today I am going to solve the question number 42 of R.S. Agarwal. And the question is, a cistern has a leak which would empty it in 8 hours. A tap is turned on which admits 6 liters a minute into the cistern and it is now emptied in 12 hours. How many liters does the cistern hold? Here in the question, a cistern has a leak which would empty it in 8 hours, means there is a negative worker which emptied the tank in 8 hours, and a tap is turned on which admits 6 liters a minute into the cistern, means there is another worker which is a positive worker and it admits 6 liters of water into the cistern and in 1 minute, and it is now emptied in 8 hours. Now emptied in 8 hours means now there are two workers. The first one is the A, which is negative worker, and the second worker is positive worker, that is B, and now the tank is emptied in 12 hours. Firstly, we will take the LCM of these two timings for finding the total work, or we can say the capacity of the tank, and the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. This is total work. 8 3 times 24, 12 2 times 24. These are the efficiencies. 3 is the efficiency of A and 2 is the efficiency of A plus B. And 3 is also negative efficiency and 2 is also negative efficiency. Now if we calculate the efficiency of B, efficiency of A plus B is minus 2 and efficiency of A is minus 3, and if we add efficiency of B in minus 3, then it is equals to minus 2. Therefore minus 2 and plus 3 equals to x. Therefore the efficiency of B is plus 1. Now according to formula, total work equals to efficiency into time, and if we calculate the time of B alone, time of B to fill the cistern is total work, and the total work is 24 divided by efficiency of B, and efficiency of B is 1. Therefore time taken by B alone to fill this cistern is 24 hours, and we have to calculate the capacity of the tank. Our question is in hours. If we calculate the efficiency, actual efficiency of B, this is 6 liters in a minute. Therefore if we multiply this 6 liters by 60, that means 360 liters per hour is the efficiency of B. And according to the formula, the capacity of the tank is total capacity of tank is efficiency into time, and the efficiency of B in hours is 360 and the time taken by him is 24 hours. Therefore the capacity of the tank is 8640 liters. Thank you.